Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 5, 2023. 4 star Sudoku. 8th grade, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. 2nd grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column F, only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column E, 6th row, we have pair numbers 228. So 218 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 5th row we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th grade we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. 10th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then in 8th grade, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 2nd grade and 7th row, we have pair numbers 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column J, 9th row, 10th row, we have pair numbers 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column I, 3rd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 9, 5. Column J, we have 2. 9th grade, we have 9. So 2 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 10th row, column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, we have pair numbers 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 2nd row and 4th row, column B, we have pair numbers 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 8. So it can't come this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column C, column B, and 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 2nd grade, column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 2nd row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th row, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. You can confirm later. Then 4th grade, 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 179, it will come in one of these cells. You confirm later. Column C, column D, we have 5. 3rd row, 4th row, also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then we can confirm 2 also here. Then 3rd grade, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3rd row, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 1st grade, 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H and 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 6th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 4th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 1st grade and 4th row, column D, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.